I really like using the notes section in PowerPoint when I'm giving a presentation or teaching a class. It's a way I can organize some of the thoughts that I want to make or points that I want to make to the class. Maybe it's that I want to connect this topic with other topics we've covered, or maybe it's refers me to something else. I typically like to have my PowerPoints kind of heavy on tables and graphs and pictures and images, and then use those speaker notes to help remind me to touch on certain topics. If you haven't used those before, sometimes they're a little bit hidden down at the bottom of the screen. We can click this button here to pull the notes up, and then you can make it bigger or smaller to read everything you have there. The issue I've uncovered at certain points is when I print this, the font size is the wrong size. So if I'm looking at the print preview here and I want to look at my notes pages because that's what I want to print out, I see all that text compressed onto one page. And PowerPoint's trying to help us here as a presenter, showing us all that content on one page. So we don't have to flip the page. But if we have too much content, we're not going to be able to read it because the font size is too small. So if we actually click here in the notes section, we're going to see it's telling me that I have 14-point font, but clearly it's not printing out at 14-point font. So the way to edit this, you can of course try to edit the text, edit the font size here in this font window. For me lately, this has not been working and taking effect when I actually print it out. So what you need to do is go to the view ribbon. And then on this view ribbon, we're going to go over to notes page. So we click on notes page. It's going to take us out of this, what's in our standard or normal presentation view in this presentation views box. And it's going to show us what that page will look like when it's printed. Now at this point, now I can select all the text that I want to change the font size for, go back to that home ribbon, and it actually shows me now it's going to print out in 6-point font. That's too small for me to read when I'm giving a presentation. I'd have to hold the page really close to my face to read that. So this is where we can change it. 12-point font may work for you. It usually works for me. We're going to see it's going to push that text on multiple pages. For me, that's fine. I don't mind flipping the page back and forth. And if you want to make sure certain things are on one page or another, you can adjust this and either add extra spaces so that it goes on to the next page, or if you want to try and keep it and edit it to keep it on one page, that will work as well. We can double check this in the print preview screen. So if I click our print preview, we can see here's the content. Now it's a larger size. I'm able to read it when I'm giving the presentation, and it does push it onto 2 pages. Again, that's fine with me. Depends on how you're presenting, but now you can see it that actual size and actually adjust that font size. I hope this has been helpful for you. I hope this is going to make you more effective when you're giving a presentation. And if you want to capture those notes, you can do it there. When you're going to print these, what you want to do is select in that print layout the notes pages, and it's going to print you at the top. We'll see the slide itself, and then beneath it, all those notes you made. It also, I find it's really helpful when you're presenting with colleagues and maybe one person will give the presentation one time and someone else another time. It's helpful to have speaker notes in there so you're delivering a similar message to whoever your audience is.